How to air your dirty laundry in public to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is air your dirty laundry in public. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would I ever share my dirty little secrets, share my arguments, or because of course to air your dirty laundry in public comes from the time when people used to hang their clothes on the clothesline. I remember when my mom used to do that when I was a kid. She would hang out all her little dresses, all her little shorts, and our underwear in public. And although it was clean, not dirty, I could imagine how traumatized I would be by having my dirty laundry hung out there, because I was traumatized by having my clean clothes hung out there. Lucky for me, my sisters and I and my family moved out into the country when I was 8, so my mom hung our laundry out in the country, and no one ever saw it because we lived out in the country. But until I was 8, I actually remember being a little embarrassed because she hung our clean laundry out. So to air your dirty laundry in public means to air out and loudly talk about or discuss or let other people know about matters that are usually considered private and not anybody else's concern, often when arguing or not agreeing on something. But it's when other people know your dirty little secrets or your embarrassing moments or things that have happened in your life in a public format. Now, with social media these days, there is so much of that going on, it's mind-boggling. And it might not be you airing out your dirty laundry, but if you're in a fight or an argument with someone, often other people will air out your dirty laundry or share things that you might not want people to know in a public place. I've warned my kids since they were little that we live in a different time and that you should always behave like you, as if someone's watching, whether they are or not. But in their lifetime, pretty much somebody has always been watching. So many things are caught on camera nowadays. Almost everyone is walking around with a recording device in their pocket. So if you're not behaving in a way that you would want the whole world to see, then you probably shouldn't be doing that in public or in private. Now, how can you use this though? How can you take this fact that people do air out their dirty laundry in public and use it to your advantage to help you grow your business? Well, people want to know who you really are in your business. They want to know what your business really stands for, and you convey that by sharing stories, by being vulnerable. But you do it for a reason. You're vulnerable and you choose what stories you're going to share with people and what lessons you've learned and aha moments you glean from your past mistakes, because we've all got past mistakes, and you do it in an authentic way by being yourself. You be vulnerable when it makes sense, but you don't be vulnerable just for the sake of telling a sad story or to, I guess I'm going to say, whine, bitch, complain, moan, blame, shame, or make the world a worse place. You do it to share what you've learned, and that to be able to connect with people so they know, like, and trust you in ways that are authentic. People can tell if you are being honest about your stories or not, or if you're just telling them a story to try to manipulate them. There's a whole lot of that going on in the media right now, which makes me very sad because of the rioting and things that are going on, at least in my neck of the woods and in the, all over our whole country right now, which is mind-boggling. But the other way that we use airing our dirty laundry is to remind ourselves that we want to treat people the way we want to be treated. And we want to treat our customers the way, not just the way they want to be treated, but the way we treat ourselves. We can't be hypocritical and say, well, this is how I'm going to treat my customer, but I deserve preferential treatment. Kind of sounds like politics, doesn't it? These are the rules for all of you people, but these are the rules for those of us who make the rules. Hate that, right? It's not right, and it doesn't even matter if I think it's right or wrong. What matters is how it makes the people that you interact with in your business feel. So airing our dirty laundry, I'm gonna say generally no, but when it's to connect with your customers, when it's to connect with the people that you're serving, when it's to prove that you're human and to share a lesson that you've learned and maybe a problem that you've come through that your current customers are facing, when it's to demonstrate that, it can definitely be used for the betterment of the world, not to make the world a worse place. So, love to know your experience with airing your dirty laundry in public. I have definitely been on the receiving end of people airing my dirty laundry in public, and it's really not that dirty, but sometimes things stink in the way that they're presented. But let's just be kind and make sure that everything that we're doing is for the betterment of our business, the betterment of our world, the betterment of humankind, and I think we'll all be in a better place. That's it. Have an amazing day. If I can help you in any way, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you apply it to your business right now? Take care. Bye.